Hello everyone, my name is Wang Junfeng from City University, Malaysia. Thank you for joining me today. I'm here to talk to you about my study on revitalizing packaging design of children's food brands for marketing strategy in China. Well, my speech today has 7 parts. This study highlights the importance of packaging design in attracting young consumers and their parents with a special focus on the ever-changing environment of consumers' preferences and behaviors. As you may know, the Chinese market has been influenced by Western practices, which has led to a shift in consumers' tastes and expectations, including Chinese flavor on package can have a sale bar in China. And it's crucial to keep that market in mind when designing the product's appearance. The minimum usage restriction on materials should be a concern for the food and beverage packaging business. China's food packaging market is expected to expand by 59% thanks to the country's adaptable packaging standards. Well, this poses a challenge for local brands, especially those targeting children, who need to adapt to the new market conditions and compete with global brands. Packaging design is one of the key factors that can help brands stand out and connect with consumers, as it conveys the brand identity, values, and benefits. In this study, I aim to identify practices that improve brand awareness and engagement by fusing culturally resonant components with the current design trends. I also explore the ways in which packaging aesthetics, textures, and colors can evoke different feelings about a brand. Furthermore, I examine the role of the storytelling in packaging design and its alignment with the Chinese concept of minimal deliberation, while also fostering the environmental sustainability in packaging choices. The study focused on the intersection of packaging design, consumer behavior, and the cultural considerations in the context of children's food brands in China. It highlights the evolving nature of the Chinese market influenced by the Western practices, necessitating adaptation for the survival. The review of underscores the significance of color schemes in packaging design, as colors hold the distinct cultural connections and plays a crucial role in attracting consumers. Cultural resonance is stressed with an emphasis on including elements that connect with the evolving preferences of Chinese consumers. While the role of the health-related message on packaging is explored, enforcing their potential to mislead parents and influence purchasing decisions. Secondly, the environmental aspect of packaging design is also considered, discussing the need for the sustainable practices and materials. Third, the review highlights the changing landscape of packaging in response to the increasing environmental concerns and regulations. Well, overall, the interview establishes a comprehensive foundation for understanding the complex interplay of packaging design, cultural influences, consumers' behavior, and the environmental considerations in the realm of children's food brands in China. To conduct this study, I used a mixed method approach, combining both qualitative and quantitative research techniques. The initial phase involved a pilot study using an online survey to gather data from 25 to 30 Chinese parents, aimed at understanding their dietary decision-making progress for their children. The main phase encompassed in-depth interviews and focus groups with industrial professionals, including local designers, food manufacturers, marketing managers, and supermarket managers. This qualitative approach allowed for the insights into the market research practices, material and color selections, the influence of packaging design on consumers' behavior. The results of the study revealed several key findings. First, the effective packaging design that incorporates vibrant colors, appealing images, and the readable characters have a significant impact on attracting both children and parents in Chinese children's food market. Second, the storytelling elements and narratives that resonate with the concept of family deliberation further enhance the brand recognition and engagement. Third, the packaging elements like aesthetics, colors, and materials influence the consumers' perceptions and loyalty towards the children's food brands. Fourth, growing awareness of environmental sustainability among children is reflected in their preference for eco-friendly packaging options. In conclusion, this study underscores the vital role of packaging design in the success of children's food brands in the dynamic Chinese market. By incorporating culturally resonant elements, vibrant visuals, and compelling narratives, brands can effectively engage both young consumers and their parents. The study emphasizes the power of color, characters, and storytelling in shaping consumers' perceptions and loyalty. The growing awareness of environmental concerns highlights the need for sustainable packaging solutions to align with the changing consumer values, ensuring long-term brand viability and success. Thank you for your attention. I hope you will enjoy my presentation. I would be happy to answer any questions or comments you may have.